There will be no school tomorrow for all students of Lincoln Public Schools.
All right. Fighting the cold, not fighting the snow. Look at this. We've got at least 5 or 6 inches, maybe a little bit less. Let's put a ruler in and see. Go all the way down, and it is sitting at just about 6 inches. Just about 6 inches of snow. Let's get a picture of that. It's gonna be fun. Been a little while since we got something like this. I'm more concerned about the wet snow on the trees. We got some damage in the backyard. Wonder if the mail even came today. I kind of don't think so, but gotta check, right? Oh, it did. Obviously have well, my ballon's okay here, but the tree here, one of the branches actually split, pulling my long wire down. Another branch over here split off, so we have to get this off of it. It's obviously causing it to lay down like that. Now here's NOAA 18. Out here, check this here. Looks all right. Now nothing's out of place. A couple elements are a little bit overstrung on that side, but they're all en route. It should be all right. Everything else over there looks okay. I don't know. Oh, but look at the. Let's see. Look at the build up on my ballon here. Yeah, it's a good 2-3 inches on there.